Hello, welcome back to the channel. I've got some sales. I seem to get a lot of people requesting that I do a sales video, and I've not done one in a while. I don't always get a chance to, so thought while I've got everything pulled out, which is behind me, I will just go through what has sold. Nothing of massive value really, a few better bits than others, but yeah, just go through what has sold. And also, if you wait till the end, I did a little video the other day of some bits that sold as well, so it would just be a video of me in the past of going through some sales as well that I just did quickly. So yeah, I'll set you up, show you what I've got. So I've got both hands free and I don't wave my hands around, don't say the word haul too much, so I've got a lot of things to remember, but yes, bear with. Right, let's start with these because I've got some vinyl going out which I'm just trying to get rid of. I sold a massive load on Facebook Marketplace recently, just to clear some, and I've still got a load up the loft to get rid of, and so still got a load of stuff which is listed, so I might just bundle it all together and try and get rid. But anyway, this sold yesterday I think, and you went for £8 free postage, Brotherhood of Man. So that was good to get rid of that. Did it? Maybe £9 free postage. Not much either way. Sold a couple of Dolly Partons. They sold for £12 free postage. And then a random lot of, there's like Scottish. There's a lot of Scottish, and there was some music of Britain, military, that kind of stuff, and marches, so I kind of bundled all that together. I think I enlisted it for a tenner with free postage, and even that wasn't tempting them in, so someone sent me an offer of £8, so I accepted. Just happy to get rid. There's not a huge amount of value in it, so I don't think I've got anything of great value, so I'm trying to get rid of it really, create some space. Sold another one of these, which is good. I think I've only got about 3 or so left now of these. So they have that's gone for £5.99 plus postage. What else is sold? 3 random Guitar Hero games, well 2 Guitar Heroes and the Beatles Rock Band. I picked them, I think they was only like 20p, and I picked them up recently, and they all looked all right, so I thought I would just get them listed and sell them quickly. And someone sent me an offer of £6.66, I think it was, plus postage. People are weird, but they've sold for £6.66 plus postage. No real value in it. This randomly is, so from the big haul I got from my sister, I got a load of Muppet stuff. Some bits you'll see are going out. This surprisingly is literally that big, 3 inches maybe. I couldn't find, well, I struggled to find something of similar. The only ones I could find I think were brand new, sealed, and they'd sold for like £30, but there was none listed. So I chanced it and put it up at 20 quid plus postage, and that has sold. I think someone I sent an offer of 18, but there was over 20 watches in it. It's only been listed just over a week I think, and there was over 20 watches on that. It's a bendable one. It's obviously from Christmas Carol, Muppets Christmas Carol. So yeah, very pleased that is gone. I think I might stay in the UK. Some bits have gone to America. Obviously there's a big following in America. This has sold. I'm actually watching the Women's World Cup final right now, so if I keep looking away, apologies. Spain are winning at the minute, and by the time obviously this comes out you'll know the result. Yes. So this is in England, obviously like training top. I've had this listed for ages. That sold for £15 plus postage. Still got some clothes that are going out. Kermit. This is quite a large Kermit. It's got like bendable legs, they can bend. I think his arms bend as well. That sold for £30 plus postage, so pretty pleased with that. A random animal puppet. It's like tiny, you can just about get your hands in. That has sold for £14.99 plus postage. What else? Some books. Have I done any books yet? I haven't actually done any books yet, so yeah, we'll get on with the books. Right, yes, so these have sold. I got sent these by Anya, actually, part of the free lot that she sent over to me. So they're Jam Pandas, first book of, so there's counting shapes, colours and animals. They've sold for £5.99 plus postage. So yeah, not a huge value, but I kind of like having little ones like that, so that's fine. A bundle of James Patterson books. I listed them a couple of days ago. I put a picture up on my Instagram and someone said that they was interested in them, so they found my store and went and bought them, so that was good. Thank you very much. Not sure if you're a subscriber as well as just on Instagram, but if you are and happen to watch this, thank you very much. While I'm on the subject, if anyone is interested in looking at my store or buying anything, I usually leave the link underneath the videos, so please go and have a look. There are plenty of books there if you so wish to have some. Sold a bundle of 10 kids books. I've got just a recurring listing that comes up. I just keep updating it every so often. So yeah, just a random mix. I've got so many kids books that I've picked up recently. I've got loads of free ones I've picked up, and I had to turn some down recently as well because I just haven't got the room. This is the third lot I've sold in the last week. So £11.99 free postage for 10 kids books. So if anyone's interested, as I say, if you put in the notes bit that you're a subscriber, I'll try and fit a few more in if I can, rather than the 10. It's difficult because they're generally just under 2 kilograms, but it depends what books I use. So yeah, yes, obviously just let me know and I'll try and put a few extras in there for you. Atmosphere 3, the VHS version. So this came back from Amazon. I got it listed and I listed it for a tenner, I think. Someone sent me an offer of £7.80 plus postage, so I just accepted it. Just happy to get rid of that. This, I can't remember where I got this from. I think it was a free book. The Search for Omseti. Don't really know what it is. Reincarnation, Eternal Love. That sold for £9.99 plus postage. These have sold. These are a bundle of plays that I've got some more up the loft. I've got them in a free lot. I listed them for, I think it was £14.99. They're all in a pretty rubbish condition. Well, a lot of them got notes in and highlighters and things like that. But they're all sort of random plays, stage plays and stage shows and that kind of stuff. Yeah, £14.99 plus postage. I put the postage, I think I copied an old listing that I had, a similar one, and I need to double check. I might need to refund some postage to this buyer because I don't think it's over 2 kilograms, but we'll see. I'm running out of room already. A couple of Harry Potters have sold. So I've got Order of the Phoenix and Goblet of Fire. These are the American versions. I think I picked them up in my local charity shop, so 12.5p each. It's cost me 25p, and I think they sold for £7.99 or £8.99 plus postage. So yeah, very nice to move those on. Always good to get some Harry Potters out. A random lot of kids books. So there's a pop-up book, there's a couple of these which are sealed but don't seem to work. This is a forest animals one which has got loads of pictures of animals but there's no words, so I don't think it's Oh, it's got nothing on the back. I think it was like a prototype one, but all of it was listed, you know, in the listing, and a couple of like music books. But again, that makes a vague noise, but the batteries have run out, so I listed it all this was noted in the listing. That sold for £6.99 plus postage. And this has finally sold. It feels like I've had this listed for ages. It's probably been a while, but not as long as it feels like. So yeah, it's nice to get that out of the way. So this sold for £18. I had it listed, I can't remember, I think originally I had it for like £30, and I've just been dropping the price down. I had it listed at £23, and someone sent me an offer of 18 this morning, and I was just like, yeah, get rid of it. Cost me a couple of quid at the charity shop, so yeah, happy to move that on and create some space. Well, that was it. I think that was quick fire. It was 18. It was 18. I might have missed some, but hopefully not. But that's everything that's I've got to get posted and shipped out currently. Hopefully get some more sales. I've been trying to list as much as possible. As you can probably see, I'm surrounded by stuff again. I sort of brought a lot of stuff down from the loft to try and get it listed, and managed to sort a lot of stuff out. And yeah, it's still a work in progress, as it seems to be my catchphrase almost. But yeah, I'm getting through it, and I will feel better once I'm a bit more on top of it, hopefully. I'll just throw in the previous video as well, where I had some more sales. I can't remember how many there were, but yes, we'll go over to old Steve now. Right, some quick fire sales for you. So these have sold. So it's 2 surf forms, I didn't pronounce it. That one hasn't got a brand on it. That one is by Stanley. The red plastic one. They have sold for £9.99 for the pair. Next up, we've got a book bundle by John Gwynn called From the Faithful and the Fallen trilogy. I think I paid 50p each for them at a car boot, and they've sold for £12.99 plus postage. Sold a bundle of books about Pompeii. There is 3 books there. They've sold for £7.99 plus postage. I think I just got those in 3 bundles, so that yeah, just bundled them together and they've gone. And in a very similar vein, I've actually got 6 books on the Romans and Roman Empire and Rome and that kind of stuff. I've sold them all together as a bundle for £8 plus postage. And next I've got this, which I found at the loft. I think I kept it in case I got the game, but it's literally just the instruction booklet, manual, whatever you want to call it. That has sold for £3.65 free post, so that will just go in as a card and probably cost about £1 to post or something. So yes, just thought I'd just list it quick and get rid of it, and it's sold within a week, I think. So always look out for just the instruction booklets. Right, so yes, I will hopefully have some more content coming up soon. I am looking to change things up. Personally, I will keep you posted on that, and I'm sure there'll be an update soon, hopefully. But in the meantime, I will just keep getting all of this stuff listed, try and clear as much space as I can, and yes, hopefully we can make a bit of money, make a bit of space, and hopefully get some stuff back into use, which is the whole bit I like more than the money's obviously the main part. I need to have the money coming in, but if I can get stuff back into use, yeah, all the better for it. Anyway, I shall leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I shall leave another video up here, which will be some of my previous sales, and I'll leave a playlist up here as well, which will be some more sales, but in a playlist form. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.